Wait, this could be a major twist in Samsung's foldable lineup. The latest leaks suggest Samsung isn't stopping at just one Galaxy Z Fold this year. We're expecting the Galaxy Z Fold 8, but there's a second device that's grabbing all the attention. This mysterious model reportedly has a wider screen and has now appeared in the GSMA database, hinting at a worldwide launch, not a quiet test. And it's not just one variant. 6 versions have surfaced, covering South Korea, the US, Canada, China, and other markets. Samsung is clearly serious. Here's where it gets interesting. The wider device has the internal codename H8, while the regular Z Fold 8 is Q8. That's a break from the Q series naming pattern, signaling this isn't just another refresh, it's something different. Reports suggest this device will be shorter and wider than current Z Folds, with an internal display near a 1:1 aspect ratio. That could make multitasking easier, videos more immersive, and reading or browsing feel natural, like a compact tablet that folds. Specs aren't fully confirmed yet, but expect flagship-level hardware. Samsung rarely cuts corners on these devices, and this looks like a bold move designed to change how the Z Fold lineup is perceived. The device is rumored to launch as the Galaxy Wide Fold, with an inner display measuring 7.6 inches, but the shape is completely new. Instead of the tall, narrow layout we're used to, it uses a 3:4 aspect ratio. That small change makes a huge difference. Content finally feels like it fits the screen, videos feel immersive, and multitasking becomes natural. Ice Universe highlights that while Samsung has experimented with foldables for years, this device puts user comfort first. It's not trying to be a regular phone, it wants to be a compact tablet you can fold. If Samsung nails this, the Galaxy Wide Fold could redefine what people expect from foldables and quietly start a whole new chapter for the category. So, this year, don't just watch for the Z Fold 8. Keep your eyes on the Wide Fold, it might just change foldables forever.